It's a beautiful wedding dress.
He is the wedding guy.
Can I see your face? An archway?
What's archway?
Well, it's one of these beautiful things.
Where's the decorations?
They're going on right now. See? Look in the front. They're everywhere. Just one left. Yeah. That's right. And these, look at these. These are ours. Decorations. All right, they're wedding decorations, right? Special.
But we never put this on
Well,
or these on.
Yeah, I'm going to do this one right now. This one's so hard to do.
Can you do it for me?
Yeah, it's so hard. It's very delicate.
The teapot is going to go right here.
I think there's a table here.
Okay.
You can put the table on there, though.
The table is going to go up here when they need to take a coffee. They're everywhere. The flag. It's winding. It's winding. Winding. The flag is. This guy is a beautiful dress. He's gonna go in this all. He's gonna go in this all. Weather. And then Rainbow Dash. You can go next to her in this doll. No wedding dress. God, he's going in. Whoa, ready? I mean, Applejack. Going in. Hey, I can't wear mine. I can't. Twilight. He's going to go first. One of her friends is Pinkie Pie. She's gonna go in the next stop. Rarity. Red. No more dolls for me. Nobody takes all the dolls. I have a crown. You have a crown. You go next to me. Where's my present? Your present's right here. But you are in your favorite swing.
see the other side of the castle?
You may.
I'm going to turn it around. Whoa, they're flying crowns. I'd like to see all these guys' faces. Oh my gosh, will you look at that?
I mean, Daddy?
Yeah. Need some help?
No.
Uh-oh, baby does.
What do you think? You know what? I think there's still some more parts to this somewhere.
William, are the ponies happy?
Yeah.
Is everybody feeling happy?
Yeah.
Good. Do they like their new castle?
Yeah. But
Okay.
they're in their stalls, so they can watch everybody.
I see. Are there stalls on a stage? Is that a stage or? What
There's
is that?
stalls on the stage.
I see. Stage stalls.
But look,
Ooh, wee.
sparkles are everywhere.
Yeah. Those barnacles.
Sparkles are everywhere.
Oh dear.